Hello YouTube friend. Today I'm cooking with Greg. We will show you how to make a Soursop fresco de guanábana. Now the process you can also blend it. You know, se puede licuar también. You can blend it, but we going to do it the old-fashioned way where you take out the seed. And we will be using a small Soursop to make a mug of fresco. This is the milk we'll be putting in it as well. You can do it without milk if you like, but it's delicious with milk. This is a quart of milk, and here we have the sugar that we will be using, okay, for the mug of fresco that we'll be making. And also we'll throw a little stick of vanilla in it to give it a nice flavor as well. This is optional if you like to put it or not, okay? Remember, this is the way Shakam Shambalang, Chef Shakam Shambalang do his things. Then keep in tune with us, remember? This first of all before peeling it. We'll peel the Soursop, right? Look how beautiful this baby looks. Come in the middle. Then we set the heart. Ready? Have it already peeled. As you can see, we're going to throw some water and let it soak for around 5 minutes. No need, you know, but you know, my way, Chef Shakam Shambalang way. And these gloves, I'm still, even though it's a brand new gloves, I'll wash it, okay? And all we need to do now is just the old-fashioned way. They never used to put on gloves the old-fashioned way, you know, Greg. You just wash that hand and then mash it up. If you're going to blend it, please make sure first you have to take out the seed then to blend it, all right? Now let's strain it.
Now people all of this on the boy just buy in a blender. No buy liquor a blender, I want to just liquor it or blend it.
Give your opinion, you know, comment, give like, share.
Can I subscribe then?
Oh yes, subscribe as well.
So you can juice that again or that done now? That part?
No, we can juice it again. Remember, you don't have to add milk if you don't want, right? But I love it with milk. And if you blend it, you take out, you get more, you know, because everything blended. We're doing it the old-fashioned way.
Why are we not blending it, Chaka?
Because we want to show them the old-fashioned way.
Okay.
Here is the sugar. This is half pound of sugar. Remember, we have to check your sugar level so you don't use too much sugar, right? We stir to make sure the sugar dissolves the right way.
Check a blender, they know I blend.
No, remember I say something, it's up to you. But remember, this is Chef Shakam Shambalang with a little bit of vanilla. And good to go. Now that we mix all the ingredients, the milk, the sugar, the little stick of vanilla, now el toque maestro is how you will say in Spanish. The little master touch in it, which is the ice. Delicious. In a cold weather like this, nothing much delicious and cooling than a nice cold glass of Soursop fresh goat milk.
I mean, if I say hot weather, people, not cold weather.
Oh, Lord, that's the cold. So you best move. Now we'll add the ice. Let's just stir a little so you get cool. Nice, fresh, cold Soursop with milk first. In a hot weather like this, nothing better than this.
Go.
Here we go. Now, our moment, you see. Delicious. Ready to see more?
Me no fi cook up, but me not fi depend for no one. No fi season up me meat with me thyme and scallion. With a little sweet pepper, couple slice of onion, and a touch of garlic. Chat up and mention.